Hey guys, and welcome back to another Your Tech Report video. Today, we're going to be talking all about solutions to make working from home a little bit easier for you. Thanks for tuning in. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below and smash that notification bell. That way you get notified whenever we've got a brand new video like this to share with you. So if you're like me and most people in the world today, we're still working from home. We've been doing this for several months now, given the situation going on throughout the world. So what are the tools and what are the kind of tech ideas that you might be able to use to make working from home a little bit easier? If you're like me, you've got a couple little distractions running around, plus of course lots of stuff going on, and trying to keep your focus and attention on your work could be a little bit challenging. So there are some things to help you isolate yourself a little bit and get more work done at the same time. Let's start with really isolating yourself, and that includes a headset. Here we've got the Logitech Zone Wired headset. Very, very comfortable headset that you've obviously got these nice comfy cushion pads on your ears. It's got great audio drivers so you can actually listen to music and really enjoy it, but you get great call quality and clarity when you're on those Zoom or Microsoft Teams meetings. The microphone is quite sensitive as well and really good at blocking out ambient noise. There's active noise cancellation going on here, so it is using other microphones on board to cancel the noise that might be distracting to other people on your meetings. When you pop the actual microphone up, it automatically mutes your microphone, and when you bring it back down, it unmutes it. So if you want to cough, for example, or if you need to silence yourself for a minute, you can do that really easily. Cable itself is this nice material cable that's really, really strong and durable. It's got a nice clip so you can actually clip it to your shirt if you want to, but it's got an inline control as well. If you look over here, you've got a mute button, you've got a play pause button, and you've got an answer button that allows you to actually answer calls if you have the headset on for something else and the phone rings or your Teams meeting rings or your time to go into your Zoom meeting. A nice long cable if your laptop or your computer is far away from you. It comes with a USB-C type connector, which is great, but in the box you've got a USB Type-C to A connector for those of you who've got older machines and still want to be compatible. Plug it into your PC, plug it into your Mac, it automatically works and it's automatically detected in most of our conferencing softwares like Teams and Zoom. So it's a great headset for $169 US that'll give you a nice opportunity to kind of isolate yourself in your meetings and sound great at the same time. Okay, let's talk Wi-Fi for a second. So TP-Link sent me their brand new mesh Wi-Fi system, and this features the latest AX wireless Wi-Fi 6 protocol. This means that if you've got a gigabit connection or you got a fast connection and you want to get those fast speeds on those brand new Wi-Fi 6 devices, like the new iPhone, for example, or the new Samsung Galaxy devices, you can get those speeds with this brand new mesh Wi-Fi system. It comes with 3 nodes, so you can place them in various places throughout your home to get optimal coverage. But on board, you've got great features. We talked about the incredible Wi-Fi 6 speed and coverage, which gives you up to 7,000 square feet in high-performance 3 gigabit speeds. So it's great for streaming, great for games. You can connect with 150 devices to this, which is really cool. Low latency, which means that those games are going to be faster, that everything's going to stream faster on your device. And the cool thing is that you've got major security on board here as well, with WPA3 encryption and a free lifetime subscription to TP-Link Home Care, which gives you personalized features, quality of service, antivirus, and lots of cool stuff. And setting this up was super, super simple. There's also an AX20 version that's kind of like the baby brother, but we of course went hands-on with the big one that TP-Link sent us, and it was absolutely great. Okay, we've talked about the headset, we've talked about great Wi-Fi at home, but have we talked about that external monitor? So you want an external monitor to get more things done. Maybe at the office you had 2 screens on your desktop, now you've got a laptop and you're trying to figure out, how am I gonna actually do this with only 1 screen? Well, a second screen is always a great option, but it's good to be versatile, right? Check out this gaming monitor from Viewsonic. This is the VX3258 2KC MHD. It's a 32-inch display. It's got a curved display and a resolution of up to 2560 by 1440. Now this is designed for gaming, but this is a great at-home monitor for your work, and when you're done your work, you can sit there with the AMD FreeSync technology, get an incredible 144 Hz refresh rate, and enjoy your actual gaming pleasure. Sure, it's great for a spreadsheet as well, but honestly, when you're done working and it's time to wind down, this is going to be the great monitor for your choice. It comes with view mode presets, which is optimized for screen performance. You can obviously play your video games. You've got 2 DisplayPort inputs. You've got 2 HDMI inputs, which are great and flexible connectivity if you've got that laptop or you just want to plug in even a gaming console to it. There's lots to love about this display. We went hands-on for quite some time. Great monitor, lots of great features, including a quad HD resolution, which means 4 times the resolution of traditional 720p and almost double a 1080p display, which is a great sharp images. One of the coolest parts about this monitor is the price point. We're talking about a retail price of about $313. Obviously, you can shop around and find deals wherever you might shop for your electronics. So there you have it. Those are my 3 choices for some pretty cool gear for your home. You've got that monitor, of course, covering off the visual. You've got that headset covering off your audio, which makes you sound great. And of course, you got the great Wi-Fi 6 Wi-Fi. Check the description down below for links to all these products. Hope you enjoyed this video. If there's something that you want to talk about and tell me how you might have hacked your home setup, please do. The comments are down below for that. And if you're not already subscribed to us here on YouTube, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. We will see you on the next Your Tech Report video.